Welcome to the in front of me Honor X7, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, just select the screen where you want out the widget, and after that you should, with your two fingers at the same time, slide to the center. After that, you'll see here the widgets icon. Just click here one, and now we can see here all available applications which widgets we can add. For example, we can see that the mail application has only one widget. The maps we can find here 5 widgets. The clock also has 3, the Google Chrome 5, the calendar has also 2. So for example, we can here use the full calendar months view or just the schedule. And just to add this widget, you should hold it and then drag it to the home screen. If you want to move the widgets just between the screens, you should just hold it and drag it, for example, here. Or you can also create the new screen with the widget. You can also change the size of the widgets. You can make it bigger or smaller. And if you want to remove it, you should hold it and just click here to remove icon, and confirm your action by tap here to remove. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.